In this video, I'm going to show you how to update NinjaTrader 8. Now to do this, first you want to check if you actually need to update. So the easiest way to do this is if you go to the top right and click on the X button to actually close down your NinjaTrader, and then you try to reopen it by clicking on your icon wherever you have it, you should be able to see a pop-up on your screen which looks like this. So it's going to say that update is available, and of course you can go and click on install, or you can also skip it if of course you want to skip it for some reason. So I'm going to hit the install button right now, and as you can see, it's automatically going to start downloading the update. Now I'm actually going to cancel this right now because I want to show you what to do if you actually don't have that pop-up and for some reason it's not showing up. So let me quickly sign into my account here so I can show you how this actually works. Now if you do have that pop-up, then you absolutely should use it. So just go and click on update, follow the on-screen prompts, and that's going to update your NinjaTrader. But if that doesn't pop up, because sometimes that could happen as well, maybe like for older versions or something like this, there's one more way to do this, which I'm going to show you right now in this video. So you want to go and open NinjaTrader, and then from here you can go to Tools, and then Client Dashboard, or you can just go to their official client dashboard, okay, which of course is going to be accessible on your web browser, whichever one you use. So I just went to NinjaTrader over here just to show you how to do this. There we go. So that's NinjaTrader website, and you want to go to login top right, and you simply want to log into your account. So whatever method you actually use to log in, could be username and password, Google, Apple, whatever. I'm actually going to go in here with username and password right now. And there we go. It's going to load me inside my dashboard. Inside the dashboard, go to download at the bottom left. And here it's going to tell you your most recent release. So as you can see, the current version, the most recent one you can get is 8182. So if I go inside my NinjaTrader, help, and then about, here you can see your current version. So for me, it's not the same one. As you can see, this one is 8172, and the most recent was 8182. Which means update is ready. So in that case, and if you can't see that pop-up which I showed you at the beginning, you can just go and click on download now over here, which is going to download the latest release of NinjaTrader onto your computer in just a few seconds, of course depending on your internet speed. Now once you've done this, first go and close down NinjaTrader. So close it down completely. It cannot be opened on your computer anymore, otherwise this is not going to work. Then go and click on the downloads button up top and then open up this installer. And then from here, it's going to start preparing to install. There we go. As you can see, you can hit this next button, and then you have to basically read the terms of service. The same thing as you did for the first time you actually installed this. Go and hit the next button when you accept them, and then here just make sure it's the default place where you have it installed already. Hit the next button and then the install button, and it's going to say please wait while the setup wizard installs NinjaTrader. So you're gonna have to wait for a few minutes for this to actually happen, maybe like a few minutes, sometimes it's even quicker, and when that's done, you'll see that you've successfully updated your NinjaTrader, okay? So it's going to be on the latest version. You can then use the same method we just used to go to the help and then about page, which is gonna show you that of course you are on the latest version. So as you can see, this is actually quite quick. It's going to remove the previous files, install the new ones, and then you'll see that you've successfully upgraded to the new version. So that's really all there is to it. When you're done, click on finish, and you can just basically reopen NinjaTrader, and you are on the latest version. There we go, finish. If I now go down here, NinjaTrader, I'm actually going to open this up right now for you so we can see in real time how it's working. There we go. Let me quickly sign in. And you'll see I'll be on the latest version, of course. That's because it's updated, okay? And of course, you can do this every single time a new version comes, but usually with the newer versions like NinjaTrader 8, you'll just get the pop-up automatically and you'll be able to see that. Of course, you're not on the latest version and they'll help you update it without you having to go through the hassle, which I just did right now to go to the dashboard, update from there, download, etc. Okay? So yeah, that's essentially it. Let's wait for this to actually open to see if everything was done correctly. For the first time you update, it could take like a few more seconds to actually open up. But when it's open, you'll see, there we go, it's opening up for me. I can go to my control center and I'm gonna go to help and then about, and you'll see I'm now, there we go, on the latest version. So that's how to update. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.